Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In this video, we'll have a look at how to find median of grouped data. Alright, so you must be having idea about group data. Now, how to find its median, let us discuss this with the help of an example. Let us take down a problem so that we get to know about it. Find median of the following data. All right, so here is some data given. Okay, so let me write it as class interval, and here is the frequency. Okay, the class interval is a 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and 25 to 30, and the frequencies are given as 4, 8, 18, 20, 30, and 20. All right, so these are the frequencies. This will be in the form of a table. Okay, there will be a tabular column given like this. All right, now you have to find its median. To find its median, first of all you have to write this data one more time because it is given in the question. No, you have to replicate the same thing. Now here you have to find out something called as cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. This cumulative frequency means right now we have 4 here. Now you have to write it down. Then afterwards 8 is there. 4 plus 8 you are supposed to do. 4 plus 8 means how much it becomes? 4 plus 8 is 12. Then afterwards 12 plus 18, continuously you have to add this. 12 plus 18, how much it becomes? 30, correct? Then 30 plus 20, 30 plus 20, how much it becomes? 50. Then 50 plus 30, 50 plus 30, how much it becomes? 80. Then 80 plus 20 is 100. All right, so this is called as what? This is called as cumulative frequency. You have to add this up, and afterwards at the end whatever you are getting here now, so this 100 you have got now, so this one you have to call it as n is equal to 100. All right, now once you have called it as n equal to 100 means you have to find out n by 2 value. N by 2 value means it becomes 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 5s are, and 0, so that is like 50. All right, now you have to look in cumulative frequency, where does this 50 lies. Now 4 to 12, 4 to 12 means 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 lies here. Then 12 to 30 means what is this? 13 14 up to 30 everything will lie here. Now 50, where it lies? 50 lies in this section, right? So 30 to 50 means it will be 31 32, everything will be lying in this section. So whatever this section is there now, so this 50 is there now. So if the answer is like 51 has come means now we would have considered 20 to 25. Now here we have got this 50, no? So this one is like this is called as median class. All right, so one more time I'm telling you, for example, if I got n by 2 is equal to 81, for example. So 81 means, so where does 81 will come? 80 is here. Okay, after this what will come? 81 82 up to 100 it will come, no? So at that time this would have become the median class if n by 2 is 81. One more example I'm giving you. N by 2 is equal to for example, let us take 49. So where does 49 will come? After 30, after this 30 up to 50 everything is coming here. No, 49 also comes in this. So at that time this class would have become the median class. I hope you are understanding. All right, so according to this n by 2 we have to find out the median class. I think you got an idea about the median class. How to find the value of median class, you must have got an idea by now. Now once you have got this median class, then 50% of your work is done. Next is formula. So median is equal to, the formula is like this, that is L plus then n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. Now what is this L? Let us try to understand. L means a lower limit of the median class. Where is the median class? Here is the median class. All right, so this is the median class, no? So this one, this entire thing whatever I have put it here, so it is a lower limit. So this is a value of L, no? 15. So the value of L is like 15. All right, plus then not plus or minus, only plus. Then n by 2, n by 2 already you calculated, n by 2 is 50, you find out 50 minus Cf means please try to understand this, children. Cf means the cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Where is the median class? Look at this, median class is this one, no? Before this which class is there? 10 to 15 is there. Now it is having cumulative frequency how much? 30. So that's why Cf value will be 30. So 50 minus 30 divided by. All right, once again I'm repeating, the CF means it is the cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Where is the median class? Here is the median class. This one is the median class, right? Before this, which class comes? This comes. Now, what is the cumulative frequency? 30. So that's why 30. Clear? Now F means, the meaning of F is frequency of the median class. Where is the median class? This is the median class. Here is the median class. Okay, this entire thing. So this is the median class. What is its frequency? 20 is the frequency. So just write it down. So this is like 20 is the frequency of the median class into H. H means, already I have told in mode also, H means width of the class. What is or height of the class? What is width or height of this class? 0 to 5 means 5, 5 to 10 means 5. That width is 5. So just write it down. Now over, now do the calculations. Now how much it becomes? It becomes 15 plus, then 50 minus 30 is 20. 20 divided by 20 into 5 it becomes, right? So then afterwards 20 get cancelled. Now 15 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. All right, so the median is going to be 20. All right, I hope everybody must have got to know this. What is the procedure? Let us sum it up. So first of all, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Then after finding the cumulative frequency, whatever final answer comes, no, for that final answer you have to call it as n. Then you have to find out n by 2, then you get some answer. Now you have to find that entry in this cumulative frequency. Now that 50 is there. Now that 50 means this is a median class. I gave you so many examples for n by 2. Let me ask you, if n by 2 is equal to, for example, 9, if it is coming, what will be the median class? Tell me. 9 means where it will come? 4 is there. After that 12 is there. 4 to 12 means 9 is coming here only, no? So this is the median class at that time. All right, so I have to find out the median class. Then after that, median is equal to certain formula are there, and I told you what are the meanings of this CF and F. Then we entered all those values and we got the value of median. All right, so this was regarding your median. You can solve so many questions in your exercise of 10th standard NCERT also. All right, thank you very much. And if this video is useful, then give it a thumbs up. Then share this video with your friends so that it reaches maximum number of people. Then comment down what you want to hear from us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because your subscription will give us motivation to shoot much more videos in this series. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.